Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is June 13th, and they are good up until Saturday, June 19th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay, you guys, so this is one of my transactions that I did at Walgreens so far. In this transaction, I had a digital booster get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. I also used a $10 P&G coupon along with a $4 store coupon. So as you guys can see, I have 3 bottles of the Dawn dish soap. These are the 40-ounce bottles. I have 3 of the Crest Pro Health Advanced toothpaste. I have some Tide liquid back there. That's the 92-ounce. And then I have Tide Pods, which is the 42 count. And then I have a smaller bottle of Tide liquid, the 37-ounce. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the Crest toothpaste. So I went ahead and I purchased 3 of the Crest Pro Health Advanced toothpaste. These are priced at Walgreens this week for $3 each. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. I purchased 3, so 3 times 3 is 9. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you can use on these. So $9 minus the $5 digital coupon will bring your total down to just $4. And because you purchased 2, you will receive back a $4 registry reward. I received mine right here. So you will pay $4, receive this $4 registry, well, this $4 store coupon, and that's going to make all 3 toothpaste completely free. And then next up, I have the 3 Dawn dish soaps, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $4.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive $5 in Walgreens cash. So what you're going to want to do is purchase 3 at $4.99, and that's going to bring your total to $14.97. I didn't have any coupons to use on these at all, so $14.97, and because you purchased 3, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. I did receive back that $5, so $14.97 minus the $5 that I received brought my total down to just $9.87 for all 3, or it makes each bottle just $3.32. And then with the Tide liquid, the 92-ounce, and the Tide Pods, the 42 count, they are priced at Walgreens this week for $11.94. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to go ahead and purchase 2 at $11.94, and that's going to bring your total to $23.88. We do have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide liquid. We also have a $2 digital coupon for the Tide liquid, but I didn't use any digital coupons. I went to the PG Good Everyday website and I printed off 2 $3 coupons. So I printed off a $3 coupon for the Tide liquid, and I also printed off a $3 coupon for the Tide Pod. So in paper coupons, I used a total of $6. So $23.88 minus the $6 that I used in coupons, that brought my total down to just $17.88. And when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 registry reward. I did receive my $5 registry reward right here. So $17.88 minus this $5 registry reward that I received, that brought my total down to just $12.88 for both products, or it makes each one just $6.44. And then with the Tide liquid over here, this is the 37-ounce. This is priced at Walgreens this week for $4.99. I did use a $2 digital coupon, making that only $2.99. So with this transaction, you guys, I did have 3 issues. One of the issues was my fault, and I kind of knew that there was a chance that that issue could happen, but I just still tried anyway. So the first issue is that my $2 digital coupon for my Tide liquid didn't come off. The customer service did go ahead and credit that $2 back to my account. The second issue was that I had the digital booster get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. For all of these products right here, it brought my total to $52.84. So right there, I should have gotten the $10. I didn't use points at all. I didn't plan to use points, so I did not use points at all. That's why I'm unsure as to why I did not receive my $10 in Walgreens cash. So that was the second issue. And then the third issue, which was pretty much my fault. So on this transaction, I used the $10 P&G coupon that I got in a previous transaction for spending $50 on P&G. I did that same thing with this transaction right here. And I'm pretty sure because I used that $10 P&G coupon, that is the reason why another $10 coupon did not print off for me. So that was my fault. I was just testing it just to see if it would still print me one, and it did not. So that was the third issue with that. And so let me go ahead and show you guys my receipts. So as you can see, all three of my Crest rung up at $3 each. My Tide Pods rung up at $11.94. My Tide Liquid rung up at $11.94. All three of my Dawn dish soaps rung up at $14.97. My Tide Liquid coupon rung up at $4.99. And so as you can see, my $4 store coupon came off. Right here it says both of my $3 paper coupons came off for the Dawn, but it actually came off for the Tide Liquid and the Tide Pods. And then my $5 digital coupon for the Crest came off. And then here is my $10 P&G coupon. So it brought my subtotal to $27.84. It should have been $25.84 if my $2 digital coupon for the Tide would have came off. But $27.84. When you look down here where it says earned this visit, I earned $9.80. It should have been an extra $10 that I earned plus the $2 that customer service gave me. So of this $9.80, $5 came from me purchasing 3 of the Dawn dish soap. 4,320 came from my birthday month. And then I got back 480 Walgreens points. So that's a total of $9.80, along with the $5 registry reward that I got back for the Tide and the $4 registry reward that I got back for the Crest. So again, before any digital coupons came off, my total came out to be $52.84. I was using $13 worth of digital coupons, but only $11 worth of digital coupons came off. So $52.84 minus the $11 in digital coupons, that brought the total down to $41.84. So $41.84 is what I paid for this transaction. And then in rewards, I got back a total of $35.80. Now, customer service was only supposed to credit me $12. $10 for me spending $50, and then my $2 for the Tide digital coupon not coming off. But when I checked my account, I had an extra $5 that customer service gave me. So instead of me getting $12 in Walgreens cash, I got back $17 in Walgreens cash. So the $17 that I got back from customer service, plus this $9.80, plus my $4 registry reward for the Crest and my $5 registry reward for the Tide, that's a total of $35.80. So again, $41.84, and I got back $35.80. That brought my grand total down for everything that you see here to just $6.04. And then I have a total of 9 items. So when you divide that 604 by 9, that makes each item just 67 cents. So all in all, I'm happy with this transaction. If that $10 P&G coupon would have printed for me, then this would have most definitely been a moneymaker transaction, but I'm not complaining at all. You got each item for 67 cents, and to me that is still a fantastic deal. So that is it for this transaction, you guys. I did do a second transaction at Walgreens, but I'm not going to go over that one today. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. Also, don't forget to submit your receipts to the PG Good Everyday website so that you can grab some points for all of these P&G items. Also, you guys, if you all like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys are getting so far this week at Walgreens. I will see you all in my next video.